Hi, this is Kevin Quinn, and we're going to learn how to create a top 10 report in WebFOCUS. This is the top 10 stores report, which is located in the Retail Samples domain under the Reports folder and under the AutoLinks Target folder below that. You can see that it's the top 10 stores, and it's ranked by the quantity sold. It can run independently as shown here, or it can also be a target of an AutoLink where it will show you the top 10 stores that sell a particular model of a product. And you can see that it actually also has a hyperlink that will drill down further to tell you more about the stores. So this is both an AutoLink enabled report and an AutoLink target, because you can combine these and make them recursive. So let's see how we create this report from scratch. So here we are inside of InfoAssist Plus, and we're ready to create our top 10 report. So the first thing we want to do is find quantity sold. That's the field that we're going to rank by, and we'll add that to the summation area in the query part of the screen. And you can see it shows us our total quantity sold. We actually want to show this by the stores. So we'll go down to the dimension area for stores, find the store name, and we'll drag that up onto the by group for that field. And it shows you all of the different quantities sold for each store. And what we really want to do is that we want to rank this or sort it in descending order by quantity sold. So there we actually have it breaking down. You can see the web is number 1. And we specifically only want to show a certain number of stores. So as I mentioned, we really only want to show the top 10. So you can go to the top here where it shows limit, and we can say that we only want to see 10. So now we have it limited to the top 10. And the last thing we want to do is we want to make this a rank, which will add a number to the first, second, third, and fourth, as you can see here. And we can also add a total, so we'll go to Home, and we'll add a column total to this report. And we also want to theme this report, so we'll go to the theme, and we'll scroll down, and we'll select the EN Green Light 2 as the theme for this report. And finally, we want to add the heading, which is Top 10 Stores by Quantity Sold. And we'll select OK. I did mention that besides running it independently, we'd also like to show it this report to show the top 10 stores for a specific product model. So we'll go into the product hierarchy, down to model, and we'll drag model onto the filter area of this report. And what we'll do is we'll say we want to see this report where model is a parameter, means it's going to be input, and it's going to be optional. So it'll optionally run for everything or just for a specific product model. And we'll say OK. Couple more things. I need to add model to my heading, so I'll go back to the heading, go to the second line, and I'll type in amper model, which represents the model number will appear here if this is getting input from another report. And I'll select OK here. And the next magic that we want to perform is we want to go to the Format tab, and we want to enable this for auto linking, so it will find things it can drill down to, like reports about stores. And we also want it to be a target. That means it can be found if I had a report or chart that was about the model. So I can drill to this and then from this. And that's making something both an AutoLink enabled report and an AutoLink target. So for example, I can run this now. And we see that there's a hyperlink. So I can drill down to more information, for example, about the London store, and go to my AutoLinks like all store metrics. Separate from that, if I ran a report that was about model, for example, if I wanted to find out more about this model, there is an AutoLink opportunity here, and I can drill down to the top 10 stores for that model. And you see we get the top 10 stores for that particular model, and I could drill down further to find out more about the stores, like the metrics for that store in general. And you can see that's for Amsterdam. So that's how you create a top 10 report that is both an AutoLink target and also AutoLink enabled.